In this video we'll make a simple reflection with some depth. Start with a text box. I'll just use reflect for my example, and change the font to gold. After some resizing and fidgeting, download the page as a PNG with transparent background. Go to Apps and search for Transform Image. Open that app and select the PNG file you just downloaded. Clicking in the preview box and moving your mouse, you can set the perspective that you want. This gives the text some depth. You can also zoom, but be sure not to cut off any of your text. Once you have it just right, scroll down and select Add to Design. Unfortunately, we have to resize this again. Just crop it as close to the text as you can. Once cropped, resize according to your needs. After it's cropped, sized and placed, duplicate the image, and choose Flip Vertically. Now line up the two images, so that each letter appears to be in alignment. You will have to rotate the lower image to get the angle just right. This isn't always straightforward and may require a few attempts, but eventually you will get the result you want. Once aligned, select the lower image and change the transparency to 50%. To make this pop, I'm going to change the background color to black. I'll add one more extra effect now by adding a gradient across the reflected image, so that the lettering fades into the background on the reflection. Again, it takes a bit of sizing and fidgeting to get it looking just right. Here's the final result. Please like and follow for more Canva tips and tricks.